Great! Today, a quick comparison of two cordless jigsaws, Milwaukee and Makita. Obviously, everyone will buy the one based on which platform they're using, but why not compare? It'll be superficial and subjective in places. I'll skip a lot of similarities. So, in the red corner, we have the Milwaukee M18 FBJS, Onget 2737B. Link to the review in the description. Turquoise, blue-green, seafoam, I'll call it blue. Makita DJV181. Let me know if it's worth a separate review. Both jigsaws are 18-volt, T-shaped, similar in size and power, but they have plenty of differences. Why T-shaped? I used to cut countless curved, concave, box-shaped jigsaws. After that, I don't even consider jigsaws with a T-shaped design. And apparently, some manufacturers don't either. Okay, let's get started. The first thing is, of course, the price. At the time of this photo, the Milwaukee starts at $620 online, while the Makita starts at $300. That's a pretty big difference, and if you add in the fact that you can order the Makita from China for a little less, while the Milwaukee is already available from the US for $270. Then the difference is more than double. Makita is definitely ahead here. Interestingly, the red one costs $100 less in the case than in the box. Miracles. Dimensions. I'll start with the weight. The red one is heavier. The difference in weight is 150 grams. With the battery it's almost 300. This is despite the fact that the Makita has a closed gearbox in a metal case with a balance weight of 60 grams. And the insert in the sole is steel, not plastic. Interestingly, the dimensions are also the same. The thickness and height of the case are almost the same. The red one is a couple of centimeters longer in length, but with the dust extraction port, the red one is a whopping 12 centimeters longer. Holy! Those are just numbers. Holding it in your hands is a completely different story. The only noticeable difference is the thickness of the body around the stator. The Makita is a centimeter thicker here. While most Makita tools fit my hand perfectly, this one looks like it was made for a fencer. I don't know what size claw it needs to be to grip this comfortably. Why is that? Because of that damn plug. Why couldn't they move it to the side a little? The body would have been about a quarter thinner, and then it would have looked like this. It's beautiful. In my opinion, the red one is much more comfortable for long-term work due to its thinner body, but the Makita's grip is much closer to the axis of the rod's movement. Control when turning is noticeably better. Overall, both are quite comfortable, especially after that brick. The link to the review is in the description. The soles are also different. The red one is slightly longer, while the blue one is slightly wider, but that's a minor detail. The dust extraction port. In the red one, it's installed in the center and sticks out 6 centimeters behind the battery. It also catches the battery when inserting it. We have a choice of right or left, and it doesn't stick out. In the Mellow, it just slides in, but in the Makita, we have to insert this fang into the slot and try to screw in that stupid screw. Almost any adapter fits in the red one, but only the included vacuum cleaner adapter for connecting to a 28mm tool fits in the blue one. Nothing else fits on it. Damn, day after day, the same thing. The backlight. I'll say this, the Mellow has one, while the Makita's is pathetic. Yeah, it's hopeless. The power button. In my opinion, the Mellow's is more convenient. You just press this slider and that's it. The Makita's buttons are pretty stiff. You have to release the lock and then turn it on. It's the same on both sides, but I don't really like it. Both chucks are excellent. The saw inserts and removes without any issues. The rod in the red one is a regular cylindrical one, and you have to apply some force to move it even slightly. but the blue one is square. They have a story that it can't wobble like that. Well, what can I say, right? No, well, it's just how it works. Even though the Makita has a balancer in the gearbox, they kick in the hand in exactly the same way. The center of gravity is just slightly forward. The only noticeable difference in operation is performance. The Milwaukee is noticeably more powerful. The Makita goes into protection mode in the 40th board at first speed, even with a larger battery. The red one doesn't even strain with a 2-speed. Just for fun, I installed a Makita battery in the Milwaukee using an adapter. It works better than the Makita and the Makita. From a practical standpoint, both machines perform almost identically, just at different speeds in some places. Both handle curved cuts very well. The red one is just faster. If you insert a thick fistula blade and turn off the pendulum, both produce a perfectly smooth surface. But this is largely due to the blade itself, of course. The only difference is that I set the red one to first speed and it did the job. But with the blue one, you have to set it to fourth to keep it from dying. At maximum speed with the pendulum turned to third, both cut quickly and crookedly, but for some reason the Makita is slightly faster. Automatic mode. Both have it. I dislike both of them equally in work and both are equally useless, but in the red one, it is implemented as a 7th speed. You just turn it on and off. Easy, simple, and convenient. But in the blue one, they've contrived such crap. Here it's called soft no-load mode. And it's turned on by default. And turning it off requires a lot of fiddling around. I'd write a separate review for a full review. The first time I tried impeller sawing, I didn't even know about this mode. And when I ran the jigsaw into protection mode at 2nd speed, my first thought was, what kind of piece of crap have I even bought? The way this mode is turned on and off is just idiotic. It would have been better if it hadn't even existed. In previous models, you couldn't even turn it off. Basically, it's crap. It blows away sawdust. It's the same thing here as with the backlight. The Milwaukee has something. You can even turn it on and off. And what about the Makita? Well, see for yourself. No, it's the dust removal efficiency when connected to a vacuum cleaner. It's absolutely the same here. What's
bad? What's bad?
Repairability. Both can basically be repaired, but it's much easier to find parts for the Makita. So what's the bottom line? The red one is a little more powerful, the backlight is a little better, there's a little less play, the Sawdust Blower is a little better, and it's a little more convenient. Is a little bit and a little bit better worth the double price difference? Well, see for yourself. All I can say is that I'm very happy with both machines. Both are excellent jigsaws. So decide which one you like best. That's basically it. Let me know what you think of the comparison, what you liked, what you didn't like, and what was missing. Subscribe, and if you're not too lazy, give me a like. Don't sweat the small stuff. That's all. Good luck to everyone. Bye.